Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technic Media. Today we are going to give you a demo of Angry Bird on Micromax Android A50 phone. This phone is capable of playing the Angry Bird game. So let me just demo that for you. We have already installed the Angry Bird game from the Android market. However, it takes some time to load the Angry Bird game, but once it is loaded on the phone, it runs fine. So as you can see, it is taking some time to load the Angry Birds. Okay, so it has loaded the game pretty well. So the overall experience of playing this phone is pretty much good, very much responsive when I touch the screen and try to throw a bird. So I would say the touch screen of this phone is good for gaming, for any kind of games which involves the touch screen effort. That's it. Thanks for watching.